Today's adventure in Gracie's backyard, there are a lot of noises happening. It's trash day, so the trash trucks are driving around. There's also some kind of construction happening somewhere close by, and there's also a whole lot of birds chirping around the backyard, which is actually lovely. But for some reason, Gracie does not want to venture far away from the patio. She's sticking close to the house today because of all the big, scary noises she's hearing. So just enjoy the rest of this video with the lovely sounds of the birds chirping in the background.